Hi everyone! Today, a friend asked me how to use new technology tools to establish good communication with young children. I personally believe that as long as parents are willing to spend more time with their children, they can significantly close the gap and reduce communication problems. As for enhancing interaction and communication with children through new technology, here are some practical methods. First, use educational apps. There are many educational apps designed specifically for young children that can help them learn new knowledge and develop skills. Using these apps together with your child can not only increase their interest in learning, but also create shared learning experiences, making them feel your companionship and support. Second, engage in interactive ebook reading. Interactive ebooks not only provide the joy of reading, but also come with rich animations and sound effects that can attract children's attention. Reading these ebooks with your child and discussing the story content and characters can promote their language development and comprehension skills. Third, utilize video call tools. Even at a distance, video call tools like Zoom and Skype can help you maintain close contact with your child. Through video calls, you can participate in their daily life, understand their needs and interests, and provide timely support and encouragement. Fourth, participate in games and virtual experiences together. Many electronic games and virtual reality experiences have both educational and entertainment functions. Playing these games with your child can not only increase interaction, but also cultivate their cooperation and problem-solving skills. Choose games that are suitable for their age and interests and enjoy the fun together. Fifth, create digital content. Encourage your child to use simple digital tools to create, such as shooting short videos, making simple animations, or recording audio stories. You can participate in these creations with them and share the results, which can not only foster their creativity, but also strengthen your relationship. Lastly, supervise and guide. During the use of technology, maintain appropriate supervision and guidance to ensure that the content children are exposed to is safe and beneficial. At the same time, encourage children to use technology products in moderation and develop good usage habits. In conclusion, using new technology to establish good communication with young children requires us to understand their interests, choose appropriate technological tools and methods, and maintain active participation and guidance. I hope the above sharing can be helpful to everyone. If you wish to contact me, please visit my website. Thank you.